Should you use snake shot for home defense? Great idea or terrible idea? Well, first, I'm former CI officer Jason Hanson. I love guns, I love ammo, and of course, I use a gun for home defense. And somebody asked me about snake shot. So what is snake shot? It is for snakes, rodents, rats, and it is shot that is a bunch of small lead pellets, right? So think of bird shot, if you will. You can buy snake shot in multiple calibers. What we're gonna shoot today is, this is 38 special. This is my Smith & Wesson Model 642 Airweight, one of the many revolvers that I own, a little snubby revolver, and that's what we're gonna shoot snake shot in. And to make this as official as possible, we have brought some very deadly snakes with us. This is the anaconda killer python snake. This is the something snake. This kind of looks like a cottonmouth. Not a cottonmouth, a copperhead. I don't know my snakes. I'm not a snake expert. And this is a black snake. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see how this snake shot works and how effective it is once you start going a little further back. So we're gonna take our snake. I was gonna stretch him out a little bit. This is how official this is gonna be, but guess what? He's already kind of not stretched out. I guess I'm not gonna duct tape this one down. I don't have to spread him out. He's not coiling like the other one. So we've got our super deadly killer snake. I'm gonna bend down here. I'm gonna put my eyes on, my scratched eyes, which means that one of my kids has been using this one. Let me get out my foamies. We'll put this in, and then we're gonna see what snake shot. Say that fast 10 times. Then we're gonna see what snake shot does and how effective it is, and we kill this abracadabra killer python viper snake that we got right here. All right, let me get out some of my snake shot rounds in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll pop this in our wheel gun and get this loaded. As my nose runs, my allergies are killing me today. It is allergy season, so I have to blow my nose in a minute. All right, we got our Smith & Wesson snubby loaded. We've got our killer snake there. We got our background so you can actually see where the snake shot does. So what are we about now? If I take, let me come back here, and we got a spider there. And we're about 3 yards, give or take, probably a little less. All right, so there's our deadly snake. It's about to attack your child, your grandchild, whatever. We got our snake shot. We're gonna take good aim at this bad boy and Carrie, let's go see what it did to it. We got a lot of small pellets. We can see the wad went through there. Because my guy's rubber, you can actually see where it hit him. I'm sure it had to hit him, obviously. I'm gonna say he's gonna be dead, but I don't know because I can't see all the pellets. But what I am gonna do is I am gonna circle with this pen so you can see the spread from maybe 2 to 3 yards. So that was the spread. That's our same snake who's half dead now, or maybe full dead. Now we're gonna step back a little further. So now we're gonna do this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're about 5 yards, 15 feet away. So we're much further away. If you're taking out a snake, you're probably gonna be half the distance that I am now, but let's see what happens to our snake shot. So I'm gonna come out here, I'm gonna get a good grip. We're gonna aim dead center of that snake, and boom. All right, now look what did to our snake shot. Let me put my gun down. So again, about 15 feet was that one. You can see the spread all up here. You can see the spread all here. So I don't even know. I mean, obviously I can't tell what shot is there, but it looks like a lot of it went up there. So you're not supposed to be, since a snake shot is close up, you shouldn't be that far back. And I can't see we're gonna use another snake now. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna kill snake number 2 because under here, I can't see anything. I know one of those pellets had to hit him, but we'll do this. We'll get us a fresh piece of paper, not so fresh piece of paper. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna try a new snake for the heck of it. We're gonna keep the same paper. We don't need new paper. I'm going to throw, this one's more coiled up. We're gonna go more close quarters for this guy. So this is a copperhead, cottonmouth, whatever. Those are like this is not a rattlesnake. I don't see any rattles, but same thing. We're probably, what are we, 2 yards here, give or take. I'm gonna go right for his head. This is where I'm gonna be aiming, right on this sucker's head. That is where I'm taking the shot. So if you can see if the head moves at all. All right, it hit him. His head danced a little bit, so we know his head moved him. My guess is he's as dead as a doornail. But yeah, so that's more the wadding to go through. But again, the plastic BBs just must go right in our little rubber friend. All right, here's what we're gonna do for the last snake, because I want to shoot all these snakes I have here. And then we're gonna get to the home defense part, and I'm gonna tell you what I do for home defense. See, this one curls a lot. All right, right here, we got that one. Again, I'm gonna go back, because I bought the snakes. I want to shoot him, right? I want to make sure and take it out. I'm gonna go aim right for his head. There he goes. We'll do one more. Why not? Okay, there we go. I'm sure he is dead. Okay, I'm very confident in that. So, with that being said, should you use snake shot for home defense? Never in a million years, absolutely not would I ever use snake shot for home defense. Why? Well, because it is small pellets coming out. It is meant for small rodents. It's not meant for people. If somebody is breaking into my house, that means they probably want to kill me or do horrible things to me or my family. So there's not a chance I'm using snake shot. All my home defense guns are 9mm. Of course, I've got some 1911s, which are 45, and then I've got AR-15s, so 223. So that is what I'm going to use. If somebody breaks into my house at night, I'm going to open my rapid access safe. I'm going to get my gun. Right now, 9mm Spirit Gold Dot ammo is what's in it, and I'm going to go deal with threat. But I'm not going to rely on snake shot. So yes, if you live in an area with a bunch of little varmints and rodents, have some snake shot, but that is the only thing I would use it for. I would never use it for any self-defense purposes at all. Okay, I think that's it. I'm former CI Officer Jason Hanson. I'm going to go shoot my snakes some more. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.